Hello students, welcome back to Learn 24. In this video, we'll discuss some equations to derive the concentration of solution. What is the concentration of a solution? It is the amount of solute that present in a particular solution is the concentration of that solution. That is, amount of solute in a given solution is the concentration of that solution. In simple terms, we can write it as amount of solute divided by total amount of solution. This is in simple form. We'll discuss everything in a detailed manner, right? So, quantitatively, we can write some equations to express the concentration of solution. First one is the mass percentage. That is, mass of the component or the solute in the given solution divided by total mass of solution into 100. Usually, we express mass in grams, right? So, if I have 2 grams of solute present in 10 grams of solution. For example, I have 2 grams of solute present in 10 grams of solution. So, 2 divided by 10 into 100. I will get mass percentage. Now, the next one is the volume percentage. Remove that grams and place ml. We'll get volume percentage. That is volume of the component divided by total volume of solution into 100. That means if I have 2 ml of solute in 10 ml of solution, that is 2 ml divided by 10 ml into 100. I'll get volume percentage. 2 divided by 10 into 100. That is volume percentage. Now, mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage. Mass of the solute in gram divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. That means if I have 2 grams of solute in 10 ml of solution into 100, I will get mass by volume percentage. 2 grams of solute in 10 ml of solution into 100, mass by volume percentage. Clear? Now, the next equation, parts per million. If the solute is present in very small amount or in trace quantity, we express the concentration in these terms, parts per million, ppm. ppm is equal to number of parts of that component divided by total number of parts of all components of the solution. We can express this in grams or in ml into 10 raised to 6. Replace 100 with a 10 raised to 6. We will get ppm. Next one is the mole fraction. We represent mole fraction with a chi. Chi is the mole fraction. And chi is equal to number of moles of the component divided by total number of moles of that component is the mole fraction. For example, I have a binary mixture with the 2 components, right? Binary mixture always will contain 2 components. And I have 2 components, A and B. Na is the number of moles of A and Nb is the number of moles of B. And how can we express this in mole fraction? So, the mole fraction of A is the number of moles of A divided by total number of moles of A and B. Clear? Na divided by Na plus Nb is the mole fraction of A. Similarly, mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of B divided by total number of moles of A and B. That is Nb divided by Na plus Nb is the mole fraction of B. And the most important thing, mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B will be equal to unity. Don't ever forget this. Mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B will be equal to 1. Will be equal to 1. This is the mole fraction. Now we have to study the molarity and molality. Most of the students are confused with the molarity and molality. Let me explain that. Molarity is the capital M, is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Remember the term liter of solution. Liter of solution. That is, M is the mass of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. That is the molarity. And molality is the small letter M. Molality. Number of moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. Don't forget the term per kilogram of solvent. Equation will be M is equal to moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Solvent in kilogram. Molarity was volume of solution in liter and molality is the mass of solvent in kilogram. Don't confuse with these two terms, okay? Now we learned 7 equations to express the concentration of solutions, right? Hope you all remember those points. What were those? First one is the mass percentage, volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, parts per million, mole fraction, molarity and molality. These were the 7 equations to express the concentration of a solution, right? Okay, in the next video, we'll learn a new topic called solubility. And you know what? It's a very interesting topic. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.